Hello all, welcome to our channel SOS Berlin. Here we explain the handling of our JS7 product. Today's topic is how to schedule order in a workflow. Let's get started. First we have to log into the job cockpit dashboard. Use your credential and click on the login button. The default credential includes the account root and the password root. From the dashboard, you can see the controller and agents are up and running. Move to the configuration tab to create a schedule. I already have a created workflow in the schedule execution folder. Expand the workflow and see the graphical view. From the graphical view, you can see the three jobs are used in a workflow and I'm using sleep 10 to execute the job for next 10 seconds. I already have added the three variable in the workflow. You can use the variable as per your requirement. The schedule, we need calendar. If you already have one, use the default. Otherwise, create a new calendar. Click on the new calendar button, give a name to your calendar. Click on submit. Click on calendar to edit the configuration. I'm using working day calendar and valid to and valid from date from the calendar dropdown. I'm using include frequency. Click on add frequency button and select the days. I'm creating business day calendar which execute from Monday to Friday. Submit. Here our calendar is created. Release the calendar by clicking the release button from the right corner. Now move to the schedule from left menu and click on new schedule. Give a proper name to your schedule and click on submit button. Edit the schedule and select the workflow from the drop down menu. Plan order automatically used to create the daily plan for next business days as per the daily plan configuration. Submit daily plan is used to submit the order to the workflow. Both the entries are work as per the configuration in the daily plan. Click on the runtime button to add the calendar and time period. I'm using the calendar which I've created and click on submit. At the period when you want to execute the workflow. I'm using single start with the time 10 a.m. Click on submit and close the runtime window. The schedule is valid and release the schedule by clicking the release button. Here our workflow and schedule is created successfully. Move to the daily plan view. As we check the checkboxes for automatic schedule, it will create automatically when the daily plan service will execute. If we want to create the daily plan manually, select the dates from the calendar and click on the create daily plan button. pop-up will appear. Select the workflow or schedule from the drop-down list. You can pick any one of it and you can tick on override and submit to controller. With this, the order is submitted to the workflow. You can see the daily plan is created for the workflow, schedule execution and execute at 10 a.m. For the Saturday and Sunday, the daily plan is not created as we are not using the days Saturday and Sunday in the calendar. Submitted represents the order is submitted to the workflow and we can see this from the workflow view. Select the folder and from the workflow you can see the order is created and submitted to the workflow and the start time of the order. Using the all filter from the top menu, you can see all the orders. Move to the daily plan view and you can see the submitted order is visible on the workflow and change the date to see any planned order. The planned order represents the order is created but not submitted to the workflow. According to the daily plan configuration, the planned order will be submitted on the workflow. Here our video how to schedule order in a workflow complete successfully. Please comment for any question. Thank you for watching our video.